Right, just got off at the bus stop. I can't pronounce it, but this is going to be, spend a few hours here, just wait for the cross the road. Beautiful mountains and surroundings. So yeah, I'm about to go. It's nice and cool today. It's not hot. I feel it's going to get humid and muggy as the day progresses, but we'll just see. So I'm just going to see where we are. Daimon-zaka slope, 0.3 kilometers. This is my last day here. Tomorrow morning I check out of where I'm staying and then head to Kikitsora station, and then from there it's like a 3.5 hour, 4 hour train journey to Osaka, where is my where I want to spend just 2 more nights, just relax and take it all in, and just yeah, it's been great. But yeah, it's quite beautiful around here. There seems to be landscaping a lot around here. I think tourism is expanding. So last year I started up in my exercise regime, sort of rowing and cycling, purely to help me with this trip, because there's a lot of walking, not just level walking, but walking uphill, up stairways, up mountains, and looks like this will be the last. I think, well, today will be the last day where I'll be exerting any sort of pain on my body and legs carrying my camera gear. I'm not carrying a lot, just the backpack and my tripod. But yeah, rest assured, you need to have a level of fitness if we're going to come to Nachi Falls, or if we're considering doing the Pilgrim Trail, which in itself takes weeks. For those who want to, just a fair warning, do limber up. The entrance to where I'm going to. These are they're called the husband. These 2 trees, they're called the husband and wife cedar trees. They are 800 years old, as the sign says. And boy, do they look just amazing. Some advice: just wear some sturdy walking shoes or boots, because even though it's humid, it's quite slippery. This is very beautiful, really, surrounded by bamboo trees. The path is lined with massive old and young giant cedar trees. Just a bit of advice for those who are planning or want to do this. Wear sturdy shoes, walking boots, shoes, or or trainers with good grip. I'm taking it slowly because even though it's 9:40, some of the rocks are still slippery due to the humidity. So, and also I don't want to slip, breaking myself and all this stuff. So yeah, it's just pretty cool actually. I'd love to come here if it was when it was actually like raining, or deep dense fog. It would just look absolutely epic. But I can't fault it. Not many people here, so just enjoying it on my own. You'll find these boxes with sticks dotted around the Pilgrim Trail. They're walking sticks for walkers to use to aid themselves. Really great touch. You sort of pick them up and you sort of walk with them and drop them off at the next stop that you see. You can probably see from my face I'm sweating. Man, it's getting more and more humid as I climb. I don't know if this is the top. Whoa, nearly slipped. If this is a top finish. Oh, see in a moment. So it appears so. Actually, a drink machine. I need a drink. So yeah, it's not bad. It's great doing it. It's just I'm carrying all this rubbish. So yeah, time to get a drink. Reach the top. It's not me trying to be a gangster rapper with a towel over my head. It's just it's so muggy, so humid. You just start sweating. Borrowed this towel, well, not borrowed, but used it from my hotel. If you do come to Japan during like the summer months, sort of like June, July, August, it is absolutely sweltering. And another piece of advice, if you do come, if you get small towels, take your towels from the hotel with you when you're out on excursions or day trips from the hotel. If you're doing it with a tour group, it's advisable to take a towel like this just to keep yourself cool and dry yourself off. It's quite peaceful around here, as I keep saying. I'm gonna just finish my drink. Plug, actually no plug, they're not paying me for this, but great drink, Aquarius. First had it 10 years or 12 years ago, or 10 years ago, how long it was ago, 11 years ago. So, I'm gonna rest here for a few minutes and then I'm gonna head back down, do just a few more pictures and film. And yeah, and then take the bus back up and then explore the shrines at the top of the mountain, looking down at the waterfalls. So yeah, and the sacred Nachi Falls. This is a sort of a postcard video or postcard photo that most people you see of Nachi Falls with the shrine. We're from the top of the shrine, climbing more stairs, but yeah, this is the waterfall, sacred waterfall. Walk around from the top level. This is the top level. Come out here. This is the view that greets you. You walk around. And then back out to where you came out from. Going back down the stairs. Mind the head. take you around. You come out, go around. Hear their roaring sounds of the fall. View from the first floor. Managed to do most things. So yeah, I feel quite pleased. Just rushing down the stairs. These people want to take pictures. I got in their way. I feel bad because I know what it's like. Right, I can take their picture now. Evening guys, it's 9:27. I've just had a shower, my eyes are bloodshot. I luckily got some eye drops to keep them moisturising and take the redness out. I'm just packing quickly, well not quickly, just trying to pack all of this stuff because I'm leaving tomorrow to go take the bus down the mountain to Kikitsura train station, and then our train doesn't come to about 1. So I'm leaving about 11. That'll be about a 2-hour wait at the station for my train, and then it's going to take another 3.5 hours to get to Osaka. Where I spend 2 more nights, and then sort of fly home to London on Tuesday. So yeah, nearly dropped. Well, I did drop the camera, but caught it. I'm gonna quickly pack all this stuff. Try not to make too much noise, as these walls are quite thin. So don't wanna wake up my fellow guests. So yeah, see you tomorrow, which will be Sunday.